What the heck is a really simple way to store a bunch of router bits and drill bits? Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. This is another one of our What the Heck Is series that are designed for beginners and designed to be short. So you're starting to collect a whole bunch of different drill bits and router bits and various hole punches and Allen wrenches or Allen keys and all sorts of things. And if you just put them all in a drawer, you'll spend half of your workshop time looking for the one that you need. So here's a really simple idea. Take a piece of plywood and then drill a whole bunch of holes. I would recommend that you make them a little over 1/2 of an inch in circumference. It's not circumference, in diameter, so that they'll fit your 1/2 inch router bits. I drilled with a hand drill, it turns out. I drilled 12 rows of 10 holes in each row. And that didn't even fill up my drawer, which is okay, left me some room for some other things as well. And then I just put a couple of cleats on the bottom of the drawer and then just lay the plywood on top of it. You don't need to glue it, you don't need to screw it, just believe me, there'll be enough weight holding it down. And then you can do this. You can organize things a way in which you can find them. So get them all sorted by the type of item it is, and you'll be able to find it when you're looking for it. And that is a 50-cent solution using a piece of scrap plywood. That's pretty heavy, but I just have it in my cabinet here underneath my thickness planer. As always, let me remind you, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. That's an excellent philosophy for life. Small workshop guy, hoping you'll stay safe in your workshop. We'll see you for the next What the Heck Is video.